Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Google site. So, the first thing I need you to do is type in Google Sites on Google. Um, this shouldn't come up, but this should. So, I need you to go down to New Google Sites because if you click on this one up top, it might send you to the wrong version of Google Sites. And the old version's nothing like this. So then you might not have any sites on here, that's fine. It'll tell you to click the plus sign to create a new site. So click that plus sign. Now that you've done that, this is your home page. I need you to change the title to Student Portfolio, and then put your first and last name. Then up here where it says Untitled Site, do your first and last name, portfolio. Alright, now that we've done that, we need to add a bunch of pages. So we're going to add 4 core class ones. So the first one will be ELA, which stands for English Language Arts. And to insert pages, you go up to the Pages tab found here, go down to plus sign. Then you're going to want to do one for math, science, and social studies. Then we have 2 other pages to do, college and career, and study tools. Now I'll add more to these. They'll all do less content than you will, because I know for like study tools, you need to do 4 links. I'll only show you how to do one. I'm just showing you how to do it. Alright, so now go to the home screen. And we have some basic housekeeping things to check real quick. Alright, so up here where it shows me all my tabs, or all my, not tabs, all my pages, make sure you see this. When I was first making these, a couple of them showed up like this. If they show up like this would be your navigation bar right here, these 3 lines. We don't want that though. Click the gear, make sure it says top navigation. Another thing that would happen, and this kind of went from different versions of Google Sites based on what link you clicked, it also showed up like this. If it shows up like this, don't worry. Hover over your title, click header type, banner. Make sure it's on banner. Alright, the next thing you're gonna have to do is change the image to something that motivates you. So we'll go over here. I don't know if you can see it, but it opens up basically just a file on my computer to pick one. So I'll just pick one. Boom, here we go. So now we'll do this again, except this time we're not changing the banner, we're just uploading a picture to put right here in the banner. So you can either go to Insert and go to Images or Drive, whatever, or what I like to do is double click, and then you can insert an image that way. So I'll go just to upload, and I'll upload one I saved earlier. So we'll do this. I don't know if you can see it, but it just opens up computer files. So boom, now I inserted a file of me. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to drag it over here. See how it highlights this box over to the side? That's how you're going to want to look. And if it's cramped, you can shrink this and make it look pretty however you feel like it. You can expand the title box. Now, something I know some of you guys will do is when you drag this up here, you'll be careless, whatever. Oh, sorry, messed it up. Boom. What just happened? You can't really edit the size, it'll screw it all up. Don't worry, just click the back button. What it did is it combined this picture with this title and just sat the picture on top of the title and made it one giant piece. So when you do it, make sure this box appears over here, this light blue box. That keeps it over there. Alright, now that this page is done, what we're going to want to do is go to your 5 class pages. I will only work on one of them with you guys. You do the rest on your own. So let's do ELA. Now you can go over, and I want you to go over to his layout section and insert this layout twice. It's the top left one. So let's go up here to the big letters, or the big title, and put scales. Then I want you to go up to your Google Drive, and let's pretend this is a Scales document for English Language Arts. I want you to share, get a shareable link. You'll click this button. This won't appear, but then it will. And you want it so the people can view. Then you're going to go up back to your site, and you're going to insert that link. Boom. And that's not the shareable link, that's for something else later. But you just paste the link there, and then go up here, and I want you to click the plus sign and upload it from your drive. And I'll upload one. I don't know if it'll show up, but it gives you a little menu and shows you a bunch of all your documents. It's really easy to use. And then insert, and it's going to insert it into here. Now, when you actually preview this, you can just click on this, and it's going to blow up the entire document for you to read. You can't really do it while you're editing. So now that that's done, and let's just paste this here so you can see it. Then I want you to go down to this box, or this section, and put evidence of achievement. Now that you've done that, I want you to do the exact same thing you did for Scales for English Language Arts. So go over to evidence of achievement, put a link to a past project that shows evidence of achievement in English Language Arts. And same thing here, where you would upload a document. Now they can be separate, so one can be a link to one project, this could be a link to another. That's perfectly fine. Now, the next, and you want to do that for every single core class web page web page we had. So then, once you finish that, go to college and career. Now, for college and career, you need to do 2 college sites that are appealing to you in your future and insert their links. So what you'll do is you'll go to the Insert tab and insert a text box. I'll insert 2 of them. I'm only giving you guys 1 link. So I go to Johnson County Community College, so I'll just copy their website URL. So I just typed it in and went to their website. So now I'll go up here and I'll paste it. Now it's done. And then you guys can find another one or do 2 different colleges. I don't care. So what you'll do next is you're going to go back to Pages and go to Study Tools. You guys need 4 helpful study sites and put their links in here. You can use a layout or whatever to insert them. I'm just going to do 4 text boxes. And then I'm going to only do 1 link, just for example. So I did Prodigy Math. So I'm going to copy that link, go to my website, and I'm going to paste it. And you guys will have to do that with all 4. Alright, so now let's fast forward, and you've finished your website. It's done. You want to share it with Miss Smith. So you're going to hit this person right here that has the little plus icon. You see that? Then it's going to open up this, but it won't have all this who has access stuff, I don't think. But pretty much you're going to insert Miss Smith's email. And when you do that, go over here and make sure she can edit. You want her to have that power. Then hit send, and it'll share it with her. And then publish your website. So let's do this. And now you're going to publish your website. And you want to publish it. And now it's live on the web.